We are out on what I'm going to call just a breakout run, or cabin fever, or breaking the cabin fever. I don't know what I'm going to name it yet, but we got a little bit of a group behind us. I've got Tyler in the brown 4Runner. I think it goes, yeah, then it goes to Kyle and his family, Kyle and Whitney and their daughter in the Tacoma, first gen Tacoma. And then behind him is Nick in his 4th gen Dodge Cummins. And then behind that is Joe leading up the pack. We're gonna do a quick radio check. Hey, Joe and Nick, are you on the radio?
Yeah, I'm back here. Yeah, I can still hear you, dude.
Just taking a quick video for that. So, guys, we're gonna keep moving and enjoy the day. First little thing here, we're going up a little bit of a summer lookout spot here that we normally do some drone flying. We're going up off the side of a hill here. One of our ham towers is up over here, and we want to get up there as close as we can, at least, to try and get some drone footage.
You guys going up there or what?
And go from there, so we'll stay tuned. Well, guys, we're just enjoying the scenery right now. Everybody talks about how Alberta and Saskatchewan, and I've mentioned this in a couple videos, that everybody talks about how it's flat, boring, but everybody's only ever doing the actual, like, highways. So sometimes taking a back road, taking a secondary road, get you some different views, some different hills.
That's gorgeous over here.
We're just pulling into a small community of McLaughlin.
Probably rush hour.
And it's kind of tucked away in the middle of nowhere, where you'd really not. Joe just said the best thing about it, that the reality is this is probably like rush hour. Hope you guys enjoy the video thus far. We're gonna keep moving. We're gonna get to the dunes here shortly, and then hopefully we can get to Manitou Lake area and do a quick, I got a spot I want to go right up onto Manitou Island, if it's possible. Hey guys, well, we made it to the Edgerton sand dunes. We're just doing a little bit of a scope. I'm sorry there's not going to be any off-road content per se today, guys. I might try and get a little bit sandy in a couple spots, but we're in the trail area per se. We're just, like I said, it's out for a country drive. We should have probably told Nick to bring his diesel Jeep, and he probably would have had some fun. Well, Bluetooth front drive shaft is not faring so well. So I think Joe's gonna get turned around here and we're just gonna start heading out. We got a bit of an area scoped out. That didn't sound good. What I meant by didn't sound good is his rear diff kind of went click click, but I'm guessing that's the factory setup on it. So he's gonna get turned around and drag him, I think, out. Hey Joe, do we want to just start dragging him out?
He was trying already.
Like that way?
Yeah, he
oh.
tried to get him out.
Oh.
He couldn't pull him out.
Oh.
That's why he's changing his angle. I have it all on video.
Oh. Joe, if you can't get him going that way, I'll put my lockers on and pull him sideways. So yeah, Joe's trying to get Tyler, Mr. Bluetooth drive shaft, rolling. Yeah, he's stuck. That's a hard step. exploring. It's not a really heavy wheeling day by any means. We're out now about 75 kilometers, kind of where we got going on Edgerton and stuff. We're making our way. We're just north of Marsden, actually coming up to the Marsden Bridge off the Battle River. So we're just gonna say goodbye from here. I hope you guys enjoy. Again, remember, it means a lot to like, subscribe, and comment. I can't reiterate it much. I don't say it too much because, guys, honestly, I don't want to be that guy pushing it. And you guys are killing it lately. But that said, stay classy, stay safe, self-isolate if you're required. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you got any questions, comments, let me know below.